Choice today with the 2018 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.